Okay, listen. I have found the easiest $300 a month passive income that I've ever found. And I've been searching day and night through like every freaking thing you could find. I've watched hundreds of videos, and I'm tired of watching videos. I just want something that works where I could just leave it on and not have to worry about it. And this is it. I tested it out last night. I don't work for this company. You know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to look out. All right, so this is how much you can get in a month using this app. What you're doing is you're selling some of your bandwidth, which you don't use anyway. It doesn't. My computer's been running the same. It hasn't ran any slower. There's no difference. Plus, you're gonna cover. Let's say you got three bills at $100 a piece per month. You can forget about them now with this app. It covers that. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna be making enough money to where it's gonna take a lot off your shoulders. I'm gonna put a link in the description. You don't have to do anything but click the link and download it to your PC. It only works on Windows PC. It says Mac, it says Android, but it's not developed yet. It will be soon. So this is PC, desktop, or laptop only. Chromebook maybe, you can try it. But listen, last night, just last night, I didn't do nothing. So just imagine every single, 24 hours, it hasn't even been a whole night. So at $2 a gigabyte, you're estimated to make $300 a month. All right, there you go. It's the shortest money making video on YouTube. All right, link in the description. I got you.